What is this letter? A. A for apple. What is this letter? B. B for ball. What is this letter? C. C for car. C for car. What is this letter? C. C for cat. What is this letter? D. D for dog. D for dog. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. What is this four letters? A, B, C, D. Learn today we write it A, B, C, D. What is this is? A. What is this letters? A. Okay.